Hey everyone, it's Chandler from Damage Darts, and today we're going to take you through the process of converting the Nerf Longshot into the Destiny Warhorse shotgun. Coming up. This is the gun that I'm converting into the Destiny shotgun. And we've got all the extra parts, and we've got a couple clip parts here. We already have them black here because we did the dyeing system of that, and that was kind of a it was a so-so job. I mean, I wouldn't say it was the greatest idea. Like, if you guys are gonna paint your guns, I'd just suggest using just normal spray paint. So we're going over it with some black now spray paint because that's nice and cheap spray paint, and it works just as well as any other spray paint. So. Alright, now I've got my Longshot gun taped off here, and I'm gonna spray it with some Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer. It's a light gray primer, and then I'll go over it with the color of my choice, which I think will probably be a dark navy color. Alright, I'm done with the base coat automotive gray primer here, and I'm going to go over it with some True Blue gloss. Alright, well, I think that's pretty much it for the paint job. We'll just let it dry, take it off, see if there's any overspray. If there is, you can just retape it up and just spray the normal color you want there. Alright, I've got all my pieces set out here, and I'm using some clear coat on it before I put it together so that the paint doesn't scratch off as easily. Alright, actually I have one more thing before we get to the internals, and that is I'm going to spray paint flat black on these. These are the worker parts that I got from Worker Mod. Oh, where did I get them? I think I got these on eBay because that was where I found them for the cheapest. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description for all of these pieces to convert your Longshot gun into more of a shotgun rather than a full action sniper rifle. So yeah, I'll spray paint these black, and then I'll get to the internals of the gun. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of converting the Nerf Longshot into the Destiny Warhorse shotgun. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click on the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And stay tuned for part 2. Damage Darts signing off.